Oh, okay. Now we have another tornado warning over there. Did you see that? Did you hear the siren? Oh no, the tornado is hitting the bricks. Hang out. You see how much damage that he made. Solo gun! One shot. Over there. Let's chase that tornado. Oh, up ahead. I'm glad the siren stops. Now, let's chase the tornado. Up ahead. Oh, here's it! Oh! The first spirit is the tornado is hard to catch. Oh, I'm out here. Great job, that's I found a tornado hitting up here in the roadblocks. Oh. The next video will be even more difficult than you think. Okay, let's go and say tonight. Tonight. Bye bye. Tonight.